Hello, good morning, dear blooming children. It is me, Suresh Bharadwaj, ex-TGT English, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Now, today, let us learn how to frame or structure sentences on past perfect continuous tense. How to frame sentences? Let us learn on past perfect continuous tense. पिछली रात से वर्षा हो रही थी। वर्षा हो रही थी। वह मुझसे 2 दिनों से झगड़ा कर रहे थे। Action into continuation, but in the past. पिछली रात से वर्षा हो रही थी means partly action perfect, maybe partly action into continuation. Action taking place in the past, partly action perfect, partly into continuation. That is of a past perfect continuous tense. पिछली रात से means time. Time maybe point of time that is of two kinds. The point of time and period of time. Point of time, it refers to action beginning. Action beginning. Period of time, duration of a period. Duration of time, expansion of time. For expansion of time, for period of time, for to be used. And for your point of time, fixed time, okay, since to be used. For time fixation, since and for. Generalization of this tense is subject, maybe singular subject, plural subject, any subject, for each and every subject had been, principle of ing means present participle. Subject had been, principle of ing, then since or for. पिछली रात से वर्षा हो रही थी. It for your वर्षा. It had been raining since. Definite time, fixed time. Okay. Action beginning, raining beginning time since last night. It had been raining since last night. Second sentence. वह मुझसे 2 दिनों से झगड़ा कर रहा था. एक्शन इनटू कंटिन्यूएशन कर रहा था. झगड़ा, क्वेरलिंग. कौन? ही हैड बीन, झगड़ा करना, क्वेरलिंग विद मी, मुझसे. फॉर 2 days, 2 days duration of time. Okay, expansion of time. For 2 days. For expansion of time, duration of time, for to be used, and for your point of time, since to be used. He had been quarreling with me for 2 days. Likely other sentences also may be framed on this system. You had been waiting for me for 4 hours. तुम मेरा 4 घंटे से इंतजार कर रहे थे. 4 घंटे means duration of time. Okay, period of time. You had been waiting for me for 4 hours. Other sentences. The children had been standing in a queue. बच्चे लाइन में, पंक्ति में खड़े थे. For half an hour, आधे घंटे से. Before the assembly started. प्रातःकालीन सभा शुरू होने से पहले बच्चे आधे घंटे तक पंक्ति में खड़े थे. खड़े रह रहे थे. स्टैंडिंग, एक्शन इनटू कंटिन्यूएशन, बट इन हिंदी खड़े थे. The children had been standing in a queue for half an hour before the assembly started. Before this assembly started. Had been ing, right? So many other sentences may be framed on this system. For your negative structure, negative sentence, just before been, principal verb ing, not to be used. Not here. It had not been raining. It had not been raining since Monday. Monday, you know, it is point of time. So, since to be used. Since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, since January, February, March, since 2015, 16, 17, etc. Since 8 o'clock, since 10 o'clock, since morning, since evening, okay, since to be used for your point of time. He had not been quarreling. Had not been here, not. He had not been quarreling with me for some time. For some time. For means for some time means time duration, expansion of time. For your interrogative sentence, to get yes no response, had to be taken out. Had to be taken out. Had you been waiting for me? Had you been waiting for me since January? Since January means January, okay, it is point of time, so since to be used. Had you been waiting for me since January? So many other sentences using had past, okay, you may frame to get yes no response. And other interrogative sentences using interrogative words why, when, how, what may be used. Okay, so some examples have been given here, and interrogative sentences have been framed on these sentences. Why had you been here? Why? Had taken out. Why had you been waiting for me for 2 years? 2 वर्षों से आप मेरी क्यों प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे? Where had the children been standing? The children had been standing in a queue. Where, then followed by had. Where had the children been standing since 8 p.m.? Okay, another example, since 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., since to be used. A very particular sentence I have written here. Since when, kab se, had it been drizzling? It had been raining, वर्षा हो रही थी since last night. Okay, raining, वर्षा हो रही थी, drizzling, रिमझिम बूंदाबांदी चल रही थी. Since when had it been drizzling? Since when? Question. Since when means point of time. Speaker wants to know point of time. Since when it had been, superfluous sentence or superfluous statement may be given. Since when it had been raining, it had been drizzling. Since when it had been, it is superfluous usage, superfluous use or sentence. For how long? If the speaker wants, if you want to know duration of time, expansion of time, for how long? For how long had you been waiting for me? Means time duration, expansion of time. Since how long means speaker wants to know, you want to know point of time. So you may use since how long had you been waiting for me? In this way, so many sentences on the basis of this, on this pattern, on the basis of past perfect continuous tense, on this generalization, according to this generalization, you may frame, you may structure so many other sentences, and you may learn more and more. So, dear children, please like, share and subscribe, and try to watch full video to get full learning. You may learn more and more if you watch video fully. Okay, wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.